Hello everybody, welcome back. It's Nathan from Arcadius Ops, and today we're going to do some more work on Metasploitable 2. Now I've got my VMs running, so I've got Metasploitable there, and I've got good old Kali Linux there. Alright, so today we're going to do Samba, and what we're going to do is try and exploit the Samba services running on my Metasploitable 2. Now, what is Samba? Well, Samba's been around since 1992, and it was created to enable Linux and Unix machines, which includes Apple OS X, to communicate with Windows machines. It is an Active Directory service, or can be set up for that, and Samba can operate as a domain controller, and it can operate as a standalone domain in its own right. So Samba is one of the good things about connectivity and interoperability between Linux, Unix, Apple OS X, and Windows. So, without further ado, let's get on to our enumeration. So this is the IP address of my Metasploitable 2, and I've gone in for this switch -S_V, which tells Nmap to scan all the open ports within the top 2000 and then report on the version numbers. And as you can see, it has in fact done that, and it told me that 139 and 445 are operating Samba, but it hasn't told me the exact version numbers. Give me a range, which is not really useful. Remember, enumerate, enumerate, enumerate. Spend a lot of time on your enumeration so that you get the exact version numbers of the services that you are interested in. So I've modified the Nmap scan to just include those two ports, 139 and 445. I've also said scan only those two ports with an aggressive port scan. And lo and behold, it's come up with exactly what I need to progress this further. 139 is operating Samba 3020, and it's a Debian machine, which you know because it's Metasploitable 2 anyway. It's given us some other information. It's given us some security information here, and we've got a standard default user. It's also given me some statistics on the usernames, but it's also confirmed in the OS discovery that we are in fact running Samba 3020. Done. Whilst MSF console is running, we can type in Samba 3020 to exploitdb.com, and it's given us two possible exploit codes for this version of Samba. Now, which one do you choose? Well, as they teach you in OSCP, go for the low-hanging fruit first. Let's have a look at this one first. This is a heap overflow, which, as many overflows are, can be quite destructive. But the issue here is that this is in Italian, so I don't really understand what that means, and therefore I don't understand what this block of code actually does per se. So it may be attractive, but it doesn't really help us as ethical hackers, because of course the last thing you want to do is, destructively crash your client's machines. Metasploit is always a good low-hanging fruit to go for, and in this code it is within our range of Samba version, and it has input of the port, where it's already got the port there, so that's okay. And when we're doing the options within Metasploit, we'll give it the target name, IP address. So we'll go for this one, I think. Right, let's get back to MSF console. So let's have a look, see if it's got Samba 3020. Let's have a look, shall we? Bingo. Right. So it's told us that it's command execution. So we can issue our own commands when we have compromised the machine. It's told us that the possibility of success is excellent. And it's actually quite an old exploit that's kept away back in 2007. So we simply use that script. All right. And then let's have a look at the options. Show options. It's already told us 139. That's good. It's told us on our local machine we have a listener. All we need to do now is specify the target. So set our hosts 192.168.2.7, which is the IP address of my Metasploitable 2 machine. So bang, there we go. And simply run exploit. Okay, reverse handler. Right. So give it some time to open up a command shell, which it has. Let's have a look. What's my ID? Oh, sorry. ID. I am root. So now let's have a look at the listing of that. Right. I have config, and there is my machine. So I am now in a root shell on the Metasploitable 2 machine. So QED. Right. Thank you for listening, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.